Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a green rainbow friend as a smiling critter. So first let's get started on the right hand side, and for the right eye we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Moving across on the left hand side now, let's replicate that, leaving a small gap in the center. To the right of this now, starting in the corner, we're going to arch this line up and then back down on the right hand side. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, starting in the corner, curving this all the way up and then back down on the inside. In the center, further over towards the left, let's draw in a small oval. And then moving over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming down on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. Leaving a gap in the center over on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. On the top now, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right, bringing that all the way up and over. And now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, connecting that together from left to right. In the center for the tongue, let's curve this line up and then over. And then from the middle, we're going to curve this line up and then back down on the right. Now for the cheek, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then moving over to the left, lining that up at the same height, we'll replicate that, bringing that around and then in. For the top of the head now, on the left-hand side, let's curve this line in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, bringing that up, ending that at roughly the same height. Now on the top, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then coming down on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. For the eyebrows now, on the left-hand side, let's arch this line up and then down. And then moving over to the right, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the left arm now. So coming down in the corner under the chin, we're going to curve this line around and then out. On the inside, we're going to curve this line out and then in. From here, we're going to curve this line down and up. And then from here, we're just going to arch this line all the way around and then in towards the cheek. Now from here, let's draw in the body. So for the torso, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the left-hand side from the corner, let's curve this line around and then down. For the foot on the inside, we're going to bring this diagonal line out towards the bottom left-hand side of the page. And then moving down from that corner, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. And we're just going to make sure this line connects this line together. On the inside, again, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Let's move over on the right-hand side now. We're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. On the top for the diagonal here, we're going to curve this line back down. And then for the bottom of the foot from the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Now let's draw on the right arm. So moving further down, we're going to curve this line out, down, and then back up. On the top, let's continue to curve this line around and then out. And then now from the corner, we're just going to curve this line down and then back in towards the side of the leg. And now from here on the top, we're just going to draw in a sideways oval. Now for the necklace, we're going to draw in the center, a curved line that arches around and then in. From that corner, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. Moving down again, we're going to arch this line around and then up. One more time, getting smaller as we come down. And then on the bottom, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point back in. And now for the necklace, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides underneath the chin. And that is it. That's how you draw a green rainbow friend as a smiling critter. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.